boyfriend or girlfriend is, I feel like that's just natural. It's almost like human nature. That person is being fulfilled by you, but you're not being fulfilled by them. In my opinion, it won't last because you're not attracted to him, and he might just be continuous. I also think that attraction can grow, but just surprised that he didn't mention it to me. He completely shut me out of his life. I should just shut him out at this point, considering that he gave me to do is to just move on, and if that.
She's like, fuck, I met this guy the other week.
In the doors? Yeah. Do you like it?